Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Norwegian historic flight Vampire characters. This is a wonderful aircraft. This is technology going way back to just after the Second World War. But what performance! A lovely shape as well, a wonderful characteristic de Havilland wing. 3,500 pounds of thrust from that Goblin 3.5 centrifugal turbojet. But let me just remind you, when you saw the RAF Typhoon earlier on, it had got 40,000 pounds of thrust. This little aircraft has only got 3,500, but look at its performance. I think that's really top notch. That's a jet going back to the 1950s. I'm not quite sure who's in this particular one, but the two pilots, Kenny Wiesler, he's got 15,000 hours of flying, and Smiley Stroman, well, he's got only a fraction less of 14,500. And I've just been told it is Smiley who's flying it. Lovely man. We were chatting away in the bar last night. Well, his father was a military pilot who also flew Vampires. So, Smiley grew up living on various bases around Norway as his family moved around. And he joined the Air Force in 1971. Also, fascinatingly, he's a specialist on flying jet-powered model aircraft. I just never fail to be amazed at the performance of that little aircraft with 3,500 pounds of thrust. To give you an idea of that speed, it'll do nearly 600 miles an hour, so we're not quite up there as supersonic, but definitely subsonic, and a range, a remarkable range of 1,200 miles plus. It just eats up the sky. There we are then. I think that'll be probably his last pass, Smiley Stroman. Thank you very much, Smiley. We shall see. Yep, that definitely was the victory roll, ladies and gentlemen, so a very big thank you to Smiley. We shall see more from him later on.